Hi folks, it's Skip here again from Woodworking UK, back with another episode of Skip's Tips. Now if you're hand sanding little detailed things, I've just made this little bandsaw box today, just messing around, and you want to get around the little details of it. Instead of using the sheet sandpaper like this, I find sometimes when you're sanding by hand it can sort of crease up and rip and tear because it's really thin and crap. What I do, buy a cheapo pack of sanding bolts. These are 120 grit. Just cut it open or rip it open, tear a bit off, use that. If you look at that, it crinkles and crumples really easily. So you find you're sanding and it ruffles up. I do anyway. You can use a sanding block, but if you get in little details, it ruffles up. Whereas that, it's a lot thicker. It's got like a woven fabric back on it, so you can get in there and sand little bits without it crinkling and ripping like this. Okay, thanks folks.